Today's word is waltz. It's pronounced as waltz, although the last letter is a Z. It's pronounced like an S, waltz, or waltz, not waltz. It's a slow romantic ballroom dance and music with a rhythm of 3 beats per bar. That's a technical bit there. It can also mean an easy accomplishment, or the verb to accomplish easily. Primarily is used in dance and music, but it can also be used in other areas. Now let's look at a few sentences here. You can't just walk into my chamber without knocking. It's private. We waltzed through to the finals with 0 matches lost. Means we went through to the finals very easily. We waltzed through. You just waltz in half an hour late as if nothing has happened? Waltz in. You dance in as though nothing has happened. Our professor waltzed into the classroom, announced that the class was cancelled, and waltzed off again. Means he couldn't care less about whether we had a class or not. Somebody waltzed off with my new Toyota car last afternoon. That means they robbed me of my car. They stole my Toyota car. Waltzed off with my Toyota car. One day, the new recruit waltzed up to me and asked me for a raise just like that. So waltzed up to me like he was dancing around. Hey, boss, just wait, okay? Just want to ask you something. I want a raise. So he waltzed up to me and asked me for a raise. Just like that. Now, let's look at 2 relevant questions here. Did you know that waltz was banned? Why? Because religious leaders found the proximity between dancers vulgar and sinful. In fact, some people were even threatened with death. Can you imagine that? Now, what's so special about the waltz music? They're usually composed in triple meters. So it's pop, 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 pop. See? Pop, pop, 1, 2, 3, blank 2, 3. It's got very nice and elegant melodies. Finally, a few synonyms. Breeze, zip, glide, cruise, swan, sail. You can't just swan down to my room and ask me for a raise. See? Swan down to my room, or swan to my room, like glide into my room as though this is your own personal property. That is the meaning of swan. Fly like a swan. Swans are mythical creatures.
If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get more such videos regularly. Also, don't forget to use these words in your daily conversations. That's the only way you can make these words to your list of active vocabulary.